I got so many people thinking this was my real afro, but the truth is, it isn't completely my real afro. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Colette. If you're new here, you're welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today, I'll be showing you guys how I was able to extend my afro from looking this very short to the first clip that you just saw. First things first, we're going to make a part from ear to ear, which I'm trying to do right now. The pattern doesn't have to be extremely neat because we are only doing an afro hairstyle. Next, we're going to set the front part aside because that's the part that will make it look natural, like it's just our own hair. Now let's move to the real thing. We are going to start with the back. We are doing cornrows at the back just the same way we would do cornrows for any crochet hairstyle because we'll be crocheting the afro hair at the back. Now for a long time I haven't made any hair without using a mirror, but this hairstyle that I'm showing you guys, I didn't use any mirror at all, not even the smallest mirror you can think of. This is something that you can do on yourself. I mean, the pattern doesn't need to be perfect because it's going to be crochet, and at the end of the day it's going to be a big afro, so you don't need to use a mirror for this one. This is why I am bringing this one to your timeline. So all I did was continue with the cornrows until I got to the very last piece of hair that was left to be cornrowed. And after doing the cornrow, I had to tuck the other hairs into it until I had just one strip of hair that was left. Once we're done with the cornrows, we are using our crochet hook to secure the hair. I'm just simply tucking them inside and making sure that they are strong and secure, and this should be the result at the end of the day. Moving further, the hair that we're using for the afro is the Expression Outre Spring Twist hair. I got this in color 1B and I used 2 packs of the 12 inches, and this is the 2-in-1 Expression Twisted Up Spring Twist hair. At first I was unsure of the length, but with time I just had to fluff it out and it was just the perfect length for the style that I was going for. Now this is where we get into the main work. So we're going to crochet the afro hair into our own hair and then secure the afro hair. This will take a bit of your time, but once you are done crocheting the hair, you're pretty much done with the style. So just keep watching how I get this installed and how we end up styling the hair. So now we are done crocheting the hair inside. We are going to trim the hair. We're just trimming the hair to make it look like my natural hair. So notice only half of the hair was added the Expression Spring Twist hair. Now this is the part where we combine everything together, right? You can't really tell the difference between this Expression hair and my own real hair. So all I did was to remove the rubber band and join my own hair together with this hair. I had to brush it out so that they blend in so well. And yeah, this is just basically what I was doing, brushing it out and making them join really good. And yeah, that is how you play around with the hair until you are satisfied with the result. Another thing I did, which I am not so 100% sure if it helped or not, was to twist the hair. So it was bedtime and I didn't want to go to bed with the afro just like that, so I decided to twist the hair all together. I did twist all of them, and after twisting I covered the hair with my satin bonnet and went to bed with the twist. And this was the next morning. I got ready and it was time to take out the twist. I didn't know what to expect, to be honest, and I was scared that I had ruined the hair, but after taking it all out I saw that it was actually perfect. Like, you need to see the end result. So at this point, I was taking out the twist, trimming the hair, and combing the hair all together, and also trying to give it the desired look that I wanted. And trust me, I was careful enough not to cut my own natural hair. I made sure all trimmings were done on the expression afro hair. Then I went ahead to brush my edges just to make the hair look put together. Everything was looking good at this point, and yeah, this is the outcome of the hair. Tell me, does this not look like my natural hair? Everyone really thought it was my natural hair, but it wasn't. Now, if you've gotten to this point, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. And also, do let me know if you're going to be trying this hack for a full afro hair. Now, I'm going to see you guys in another video. Bye.